To do this, you need a pair of pants that is quite wide all the way to the ankles. Measure your hips and divide it by 4. In my case, I get 22 cm, at least 4 cm for seam allowance. So 26 cm would be the absolute minimum width that my pants should have at the narrowest point. It's even better if your pants are wider. I will get few extra centimeters from these folded seams when I cut them open. Firstly, measure how long you want your first pair of shorts. Mine will be 42 centimeters. Mark it with a chalk and cut it along the line. Then turn the inside out and fold the edge twice and sew it. Here we go. First pair of shorts is ready. The second one is easy to make as well, but it requires a bit more sewing. The narrower end of the pieces will be the upper part of the shorts. Measure your desired short length plus 12 centimeters to finish the edges. Cut away the narrowest part. Then open one of the seams in each piece with scissors. Before proceeding, it's good to iron the edge. Now place the two pieces together, narrower end facing upwards, and the sides with the seams facing inwards. Here we will see why more width would be useful. My hip measurement divided by 2 is 44 centimeters. I'll add 4 centimeters for generous seam allowances, so the length of this side should be 48 centimeters. The left side is the back side, and the right side is the front side. With the help of another pair of shorts, I'll draw the front side of these shorts. I'll leave 6 centimeters extra above so I can finish the edge properly. Draw the curve with a chalk. The backside definitely needs more of a curved form. It should also be slightly longer. Then I'll cut along the lines. Now turn the fabrics around so that seams are facing outward. Pin the two fabrics together. And sew along the two curves. As I am sewing linen, I'll leave some space for a zigzag stitch so that the edge does not fray. Then I'll sew the leg holes. Cut the lower parts of the shorts even and finish the edge by folding it twice and sewing it. The hem turned out to be quite wide, so I'll reduce it a bit by folding the fabric here and sewing this part again. It would have been better to do before ending the hem, but it will be okay now as well. Now it's time to finish the waistline. Turn it inside out, fold once and sew. Then fold again about 5 centimeters and sew. All we have left to do are the belt loops. Cut 6 pieces of fabric 3 centimeters times 7 centimeters. Fold each piece like this and sew them. Mark the locations for the loops according to your preference. To attach the loop in the waistline, again fold 1 centimeter and sew the upper part. And the lower part exactly the same way. And we're done. Obviously the second pair of shorts is a bit more slim fit, but I am very happy with the result. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.